Hello. Got a bunch of fun things that I'd really like to play with today while I have time, but not gonna have the time to get around to them all. One thing that's been on my list is this 5 to 35 volt step down to 5 volt at 8 amps. I wanted to test that, so I got these. 4 different electronic loads. I'm gonna hook them all up to this at the same time, and I'm gonna give it hell. I got, well, 2 of these are gonna be self-powered by the load itself. These 2 are 12 volt DC plug packs that are plugged into the wall. I'm gonna try not to catch anything on fire or die in the process, but we'll see how it goes. This is really going to be a hot mess. I don't know how well this is going to work at all, but I'm going to give it a shot. I have had all this plugged in earlier, but I took it off for the grand reveal. I'm curious as to how much power these draw themselves. That's why I got them hooked up to the actual measurement USB sticks, I guess you could call them. And these ones, since they're powered by the gerbils that send their little electrons through the wall, I don't give a shit what they pull. That's not really true. I do, but it's not going to make a damn bit of difference. And I'm not pulling out the kilowatt because my desk is already a clusterfuck mess. So let's see if I can get everything plugged in and wired up without shit shorting out or burning down the house. Heaven forbid I lose my utility room. But yeah, I got a bunch of fun stuff. I have a whole new lot of kit. This stuff was actually donated to me. God bless you, Heather. And a bunch of new fancy diodes. Also got a digital signal analyzer over there. But on with this. If I can get my shitty broken ass tripod to stay. Anyways, alright, over here. Don't really know what I should put this at. Let's just fucking crank that shit. No, that's not what I want. There we go. Sure. That's gonna be louder than hell. Maybe I should current limit that at first. Yeah, let's make sure I got it. Oh god, oh god, oh god. There we go. Jesus. Apparently those things pull quite a bit of oomph. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. So I can do 8 amps. Let's just push this one all the way to... Why does it keep kicking it back down to 1? Piece of shit. Whatever. And this one's not even fucking turned on. Whatever, let's go to the ones where I can do something about it. Well, the power supply's already going into current limit, but I only have it at 600 milliamps, so that's not really going to do the business. Let's adjust that. Give her hell. This one's pulling 2.8, but, oh, sorry, guess you need to, yeah. I'm kind of worried about this one since it's got those dicky little leads to it. This one's saying 4.5 volts. Oh, that one's flashing now. Is that good? bad, indifferent. I've tested this one out before. It doesn't kick on the fan until it's like 7.5 watts, and then it just always runs. Sorry, Dickie camera work. That's pretty annoying. Why is it beeping? Does it beep the whole fucking time? Jesus Christ. Sorry. Oh, I get it. Because I have that set to 5 volts. Since it's less than that, it's... Alright, let's turn that one off. No. Let's keep it at 5.5. There, now it's not beeping. So, yeah, this thing, since that's pulling 2.8 amps, that's pulling 2.3, that one's pulling 2.1, that one's pulling 2. This thing is doing the business. But that thing is hotter than hell. Jesus. I'm truly surprised. That's incredible. This thing is $3. $3. And that's what it's running. So it's at 45 watts input, and yeah, putting out 40, that's pretty good. Okay, now it's more than that. 15.5, 3.3, yeah, 52.5, 55. But now 40, that's still not bad. That's 80%-ish. Give or take a 10. Alright, so. Oh, shut up. Now, since, it's right here. No, I'll dick with this thing later because I just got it in the mail and I have no idea. It broke. Still got that. Yeah, well, that's overall pretty impressive for everything. I like this. It's big. It didn't even turn that fucking fan on. This one didn't either. So I wonder what wattage that's got to be at, or if it's just determined by temperature. This one's using an IRFP 150N for the MOSFET on that. Don't know what that's using, but it's a big beast of a package. Here, let me unplug it. I might take it apart sometime. I don't think I can get... Oh, yeah. Yeah, beefy. One thing I don't like about this, though, is it's got the 12 volt input, and it's got a DC jack over here, so you can hook up just the shit you're testing if it's under a DC 12. Or, I guess that's just a 2.5 by 5.5, whatever. Or any of those, USB-C included, which USB-C did excellent. Now, just realized I didn't do something I should have done. Tisk, for shame. Let's test L dropout. Since this big blue bastard's 150 watt, I think it's going to be the one that... Yeah, it dropped to 4.9 right there, and I don't even have this guy plugged in yet, so I have a feeling it's not going to do too great overall. Yeah, there it goes. You can hear it switching poorly. So at 9.7 amps, it's down to 2 volts. No, it's more than that because there's that one over there is pulling 2 amps too. Yeah, that's pretty iffy. But I do have like a 6-foot lead for this USB cable, so there's bound to be some drop over that. Still, overall I'm pretty impressed with this fucking thing. For $3, that's not bad. Yeah, I guess that's all I got. So I will see you when I tear something apart.